someone. Without your vision, 'cause I'll never see you around. Are you hiding from me? Yeah. Somewhere in the crowd. Where have you been? Oh, where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my ano ba yan? Ang hirap po na talong mic.
And we are back here on LA Live. Today we have a very special guest. But before that, we would like to say thank you to everyone, to our live audience here in Kapisan Grill. Make some noise, guys. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have these very beautiful ladies. They are the 2013 Senior Grand Champion Vocal Group of the World. Please welcome on LA Live, Gulayan Sisters.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
First of all, let's introduce each of you.
Yes, I'm the eldest one. My name is Almira.
Almira.
And I'm Irene, ako po ang second.
Yan, and I'm Melina the third. I'm Selena na ang youngest.
You're the youngest. When I look at you guys, I think I always thinking that she's the youngest one. And I because she's so cute. You're the tallest
Yes.
of the group.
Kinain niya po lahat ng vitamins.
I know, right? Anyway, tell us, when did you guys started? How this group, this family of sisters started?
We started po when year 2002. Nag-start po kami. 3 po sila dancers. Pag sumasala kami ng fiesta, ako po singing contest. Nakalaban ko po before si Charisse sa Batang Kampiyon and kabatch ko si Sarah Geronimo sa Star for a Night. And then, meron pong gathering, wedding po ng cousin namin. Pinakanta lang po sila kung kantsa-kantsawan lang, for fun.
So you guys started, they are the dancers, and you are the singer.
Apo.
So they were not singing at all.
Yes, sumasama lang po sila sa akin to
So sila yung
support
backup
me
mo?
ako. Tapos hanggang pinakanta po sila ng tita ko na nakita may voice naman po sila. So why
Right.
not form a group? Hanggang naging grupo po kami.
Gulayan Sisters na. Anyway, how did the family get involved? Let's talk about the championship, of course. How did the family get involved with this competition?
Ayan, actually po recently, we won po as the first Bida Kapamilya Grand Champion in It's Showtime.
In the Philippines.
ABS, yes, in the Philippines, ABS-CBN po. And after winning po, we're very blessed na isa po kami sa napili para po maging representative ng Philippines sa World Championships of Performing Arts held in Westin Bonaventure Hotel in Hollywood po. Ayan.
Right.
And very blessed po kami dahil kami po, nakapag-uwi po kami ng 16 gold medals and 4 outstanding plaques, and we became the 2013
Palakpakan naman natin guys ang Gulayan Sisters!
Senior Grand Champion Vocal Group of the World. Ayan po.
What was the feeling of winning all these awards?
Very honored po kasi po 53 countries po yung naglaban-laban, over thousands of delegates po, and meron po kasing preliminary before ka makapunta ng semifinals and then before grand finals, and very blessed po kami, nakapasok po kami ng grand finals. And nakalaban po namin ng grand finals is the Singapore, USA, and Jamaica. And the Philippines won. So,
Once again, palakpakan naman natin guys ang ating Gulayan Gulayan Sisters. How you mentioned it as Gulayan.
Gulayan Sisters.
Gulayan
Yes,
Sisters. You seem very close actually as a family. How does it feel to be working as like professional?
I'm super happy po. Actually, hindi po namin na-feel that we're working kasi nag-e-enjoy po kami. Ito po talaga yung love namin ever since nag-start kami. Bata pa lang po kami. Hindi po kasi kami pinapayagan lumabas ni Mama para maglaro.
Si Mami is here
so,
as
ito
well.
po singing yung naging hobby po namin magkakapatid. And when it turned out na maging profession po namin ito po yung nagkapagtapos sa amin sa pag-aaral. Nakakatulong for our living. Masaya po kasi sama-sama po kami. Pag may struggle, sama-sama rin po kami sa victory magkakapatid.
That's true. From winning the champion in this competition, anong ahead of Gulayan Sisters? Like, do you have any offer, like a record level offer?
Yeah, actually po, magkakaroon po kami ng homecoming production sa Showtime. Isa pong tumulong sa amin para ma-send out dito sa LA.
Right.
And habang nandito po kami, very blessed po kami na makita po namin yung mga kamag-anak po namin dito sa LA. At the same
Hello, kamag-anak.
Yun pong big dream po namin to perform in Ellen and Oprah po. Talagang,
Oo nga, hanapin natin si
Hanap po
Oprah.
natin.
Ano po si Ellen? Of course, last time that you were guys here, you were actually planning to go to Disneyland. Have you visited Disneyland yet?
not yet po.
When are you actually planning to go back to the Philippines?
August 19 po.
August 19. So, meantime na nandito kayo, any performances coming up? May mga shows kayo coming up?
So far, wala pa pong, pero inaayos po nila yung mga schedules po.
I know you're going to Vegas.
Yes.
You guys are excited? You
Yes
guys like, nagka-gamble ba? A little gambler?
Hindi po. Mag-visit daw po sa mga relatives po ni Tita Lana sa Vegas. Andun po yung mga sisters po nila.
Oh, nice. Anyway, invite everyone. You guys actually have Facebook, of course, and you guys have your music actually is available on YouTube as well. You guys can invite everyone, your viewers, and all your fans and families.
Yes, pwede niyo po kami i-add sa Facebook. I-type na lang po yung Gulayan Sisters and Golayan Sisters. And meron po kami yung mga performances sa YouTube. Yan, mga covers. Basta panoorin niyo po.
Yes!
Is there anybody that you guys want to thank too? All your sponsors, all your
Thank you
friends,
po.
all your family and supporters?
Ayan, bago po kasi kami makasali dito sa World Championships of Performing Arts, nag-raise po kami ng funds. So, ito po yung mga taong tumulong sa amin to reach our dreams. So, to Province of Isabela, Governor Bogie D, Mayor Ian Bernard D, Mayor Ian D, Bernard D, and to DIP Cubao, Light of Jesus Family, Showtime Family. Meron na din po kaming Little Fans Club, G-Sters, sa Isabela. Maraming po salamat, Tita Monique and Tita Flor. Yung voice coach po namin, Professor Renato Hebron, Ma'am Annie Quintos of the company. Part din po kami ng Earth Saver Streams Ensemble, UNESCO Artist for Peace, Ma'am Cecile, and Senator Herson Alvarez. Thank you po to Tita Melanie, Sir Gilbert of No Other Bar, Kuya Rita Napoletano, Gandhi family, and of course dito po sa LA ang amin pong mga angels. Palakpakan po natin si Dr. Alana Galicia and
So,
her
all
family,
angels?
Sir Freddy Javier, Tita Myla Pagulayan, and meron pa po pala, Vita Plus, Extreme Magic Sing, and Natasha. Ayun, konti lang po, pasensya na.
Oo, masyadong
And of course,
konti.
Tita Darna Umaya and Tito El. Thank you!
Thank you. Of course, anong advice you guys to everyone that inspired themselves to actually, you know, right now you guys are just their idols right now. Anong may papayo mo sa mga nag-inspire na magiging kayo?
Ano lang po, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung mangarap lang po tayo at saka magdasal and lagi po tayo sumunod sa mga magulang po natin.
That's right. Hello naman kay Mami. Mami is
Andito po
here.
yung mother po namin, si Erlinda Golayan Sarcado. Ayan.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Mami.
Siya po ang gumagawa ng lahat ng costumes po namin.
Oh, wow.
Yes po.
Siya talagang artist niyo.
Apo.
Siya, singer din ba si Mami? Sa inyong family, like, kayo lang ba talaga yung magkakapatid or you have other brothers and sisters?
We still have two siblings po. Eldest sister po namin na si Ate Elvira and si Bon Chong, yung youngest po namin, 6 years old.
Kumakanta din.
Opo, kumakanta rin. Si Papa po nasa Philippines, kasama po nila.
Oh, nice. So the next time pagbalik niyo dito, syempre kasama na si Daddy and on the other
Yes,
siblings
kaya
as
po
well.
Diyos.
That's right. Once again, invite everyone to watch your homecoming on August 19. in the Philippines. And of course, while you are here in LA, you have a lot of schedule coming up. Aabangan namin yan. Of course, just add them.
Apo, i-add nyo lang po kami sa Facebook Galayan Sisters for updates po sa aming pong mga schedules. And of course, sa Showtime, panoorin nyo po kami pagdating po namin pagbalik ng Philippines. Ayan, and hopefully, nananawagan po kami sa ASAP. Thank you po!
Thank you so much on behalf of LA Live and Kapistan Grill. Thank you so much, Gulayan Sisters, for being here in our show. It's my honor. You make us proud. You make the
Ay,
Philippines
magtitigil
proud.
po kami sa fan po namin sa Japan, Sir Masaaki.
To all Japanese and Filipinos and all